Assalamualaikum, all GSM friend. Today's subject OPPO Reno7 Pro 5G CPH2293 MDM network unlock file. The 100% trusted working file. At first, my YouTube channel subscribe, like and comment on Facebook share. Now we see download but paid file, not free. Any problem? Chat now. WhatsApp 01718 name number. Okay. Any file need other solution 24-hour service. Next, Symphony Innova 20 plus file 100% trusted. Now see download email on WhatsApp chat now. Okay. Next, OPPO A722 PDYM20 flash file 100% trusted update firmware. Okay. Now we see download email on WhatsApp chat now 24-hour service but paid file, not free. Okay. I am very confused. My YouTube channel description no link, just link. Any browser open. Now see Google and now Borsha mobile right now. The Borsha mobile right now. The blogger's site open. It search now A79 simple site, simple, just one click. Many file, just your file need email on WhatsApp chat now 24-hour service. What is the same friend? My website. Any file need, any solution, any model, just search blogger search now and one click. Any file you need, email and WhatsApp, chat now 24-hour service. It moment, emergency file need, search not working, and email and WhatsApp number chat now. Immediately you answer me. Okay, no problem. All-time service, Borsha mobile. Any solution, any problem, email and WhatsApp chat now. Good night.